Okay, we are starting with significant figures today. Precision is the smallest possible unit that could be measured on an instrument. Significant figures, or sig figs, are the numbers that result from a measurement. When a measurement is converted, we need to make sure we know which figures are significant and keep them in our conversion. All figures that are measured are significant. It's up here for you. So, if we're trying to figure out the length of the bar, we're going to use the ruler, and right now it's in centimeters. So we're going to look and see 3.23 centimeters. And why 3? Because if we're looking at the ruler, we find 3 right here, and then there's 1, 2. It's not all the way to 3, but it's not necessarily halfway to 2. So for significant figures, you guess 1 decimal place past what you know for sure. Make the best guess possible. So how many figures are there in the measurement? There are 3 figures, 3.23. All of these figures are significant. There are 3 sig figs. If we know the significant figures, we can know the precision of the instrument on our original measurement. Classifying matter. This is the last section in Unit 1. All matter is composed of atoms, which are the smallest units of an element that maintain the properties of that element. Classification of matter helps predict characteristics of a sample. Classifying matter. Matter can be broken down into 2 main categories. First is a pure substance, an element or compound that has definite chemical and physical properties. So this is 1 particle. One particle. And the rest are all the same. So it's still a pure substance. There's no other substance mixed in with these particles. Pure substances can be broken down into 2 categories, elements and molecules. An element is a pure substance that only contains 1 kind of atom. There are 118 elements, for example, copper and bromine. The molecule consists of 2 or more atoms combined in a definite ratio, like H2O, known as water, or O3, known as ozone. Compound is the 3rd type of pure substance. A compound is composed of atoms of 2 or more different elements joined by chemical bonds. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. Examples are water, NaCl, and HCl. You'll notice NaCl is just salt and HCl is hydrochloric acid. Then we also have mixtures. Mixtures are a combination of 2 or more substances that are not chemically combined. A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that is not evenly mixed. For instance, Chex Mix oil and water. A homogeneous mixture, also called a solution, is a mixture that has a uniform distribution of particles, like Kool-Aid, air, which is a solution of gases. So these are heterogeneous mixtures, not homogeneous. These would be homogeneous mixtures. And that is the end of Unit 1.